Hello friends, welcome to Crystal Craft. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a beautiful mobile case. This will be an ideal gift to give to your loved ones or make it one for yourselves. So let's get started and make this beautiful mobile. So firstly, you'll need this a yellow glitter foam sheet. It has a sticky back to it, so you can peel the backing paper and you can see a sticky back to it. So the length of the mobile cover would be 30 centimeters, including seam allowance. So we'll take a scale and a marker and we're going to mark the measurements on this glitter foam sheet. The width of the mobile cover would be 10.5 centimeters, including seam allowance of 1 centimeter. So with the scale, we'll mark the measurements on the glitter foam sheet. Next, we're going to cut the glitter foam sheet out. Take a felt cloth and we are going to stick this on the back of our glitter foam sheet. This is our body part for mobile cover. So for the flap, I had taken 8.5 centimeters width and 9 centimeters length, and I have stuck the same felt cloth on the back of the glitter foam sheet. So you have a nice broad flap. So next we are going to sew two sides of the body. We are going to fold this in half and sew two sides of the body of the mobile cover. But before doing that, we are going to add our flap on top of it. So we are going to take the flap and we are going to place it on the back of the mobile cover like so, and we're going to sew all along across this edge. So we'll have a nice broad flap which we can close our mobile cover with it. So firstly, I'm going to take the main body and I'm going to attach the flap to the main body. So I'm going to take the back end of the main body and I'm going to place the flap on the back of the main body like so. And I'm going to sew all across this edge. Always start with a few back stitches, then proceed forwards. So we have nice stitching on the front as well as on the back of the flap. So next we are going to fold the main body in half. We are going to match the two ends. And we're going to sew all along one end and then on this other side. So we have a nice stitch on one side. We're going to do exactly the same on the other side. We're going to sew all along this edge. So here's our mobile cover sewn. So we have sewn the two edges. So we have a nice pocket to keep our mobile in it. So here I have a few buttons. So I'm going to take one button over here. So there are two parts to this button. One which will add on the flap and one will add on the body of the mobile cover. I'm going to hand sew these buttons onto the mobile cover. So I'll mark a tiny dot with a marker the place where I want to sew the buttons. So I am just about here, and I'll mark it on the red felt as well. Next, with the needle and thread, I'm going to sew these buttons onto the mobile cover. So I'm going to place the button, one side of the button on the mobile cover, I'm going to bring the needle from underneath the mobile cover. Thread it through one of the holes. Then I'm going to thread it through another hole. And push the needle back to the inside of the mobile cover. And repeat this process until we had sewn all the holes. So again, I'm passing the needle from underneath the mobile cover bringing it up to the front and then passing the thread in the next hole and bringing the needle up to the other side. Pull the thread through then catch a little bit of cloth underneath and stitch a few stitches. So here's our mobile cover ready. Next, we need to decorate this with some pretty flower and some decorations. So I've cut out a red flower from a felt sheet. So I've added a gemstone in the center, and it's like a really pretty embellishment. So I'll apply glue on its back. And stick it on the flower. So here it's looking really pretty. We're going to take a satin ribbon in red color and we're going to stick this on the edges of our mobile cover. So we're going to stick this all along both the edges and also the back of the mobile cover. So I'm going to apply glue on the back of the ribbon. Next, we'll stick the ribbon on the side of the mobile cover. So here is our beautiful mobile cover ready. This could fill any kind and any size of mobile. The felt layer gives a protective cover for the screen of the mobile. Subscribe to Crystal Crafts for more videos. You can log on to my blog craftworldb.blogspot.com for more information. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Crystal Crafts.